Well, today is NFL Sunday and we are having New York strip steaks, and I'm going to marinate these with some garlic, some liquid smoke, and I will use some Dale's Marinade seasoning, Greek seasoning, and Rosemary, thyme, and of course we'll eat it with A1 sauce. Alrighty, I've got my Dale's seasoning on this. I've got my Greek seasoning on this. I've got my liquid smoke. I have got some black pepper, and I've got the garlic cut down into these thick New York strips. Baby, when it's football season, we eat good in the neighborhood up in here in Cajun country. Ooh, I got that in there. So thick. Let's get that in there right. Okay, didn't mean for that to happen like that, but it did. It's done. Okay, these are New York strips, real thick, with garlic in them, and I am going to let that cook a little bit, like 2 minutes, and then I'm going to cook these. Turn them over. I'm going to put some butter in this electric skillet, and this is going to be out of this world. Good. Eating good in the neighborhood. Yes, we Cajuns know how to do it. Look at that. Look at that pretty. Look at that pretty. Put my butter in there. And this will taste as good as if it was cooked at the restaurante. So I don't play. No. El Lolita no play with her New York strips. Nada. So this is good. Cannot wait to put that in my mouth. I will show you when all is complete. Now, finished product, I'm going to cut it, and let's see how juicy and delicioso this is Cajun style. Well, today is football day, a football Sunday, and some delicious New York strip steak. I'm fixing to have my first bite here. Oh, that looks like a little bit too big. I always put a lot of garlic in my steak. Is it delicious?
It's delicious. I'm already hog wild about it, man. It's good.
We always eat good in the neighborhood. Love to all. Have a fab day. We are, because we love our NFL football, and the Cowboys, they did win. Whoop, whoop. Now come on, dude. Drew Brees. Couldn't get it out right. Still got steak in my mouth. Love my Saints.